You're not going to believe what I found at my local Dollar Tree. Look at this. Tell me these are not the cutest little napkins you have ever seen for Halloween journals. I almost think I could use that for the Nancy Drew journal. Look at these. Oh my gosh, I just love them. These are the 4 different ones. Come check them out. Look at these. I found some more. These are so stinking cute. I think they had some like this last year. But tell me that wouldn't be cute for like Edgar Allan Poe, Halloween journals. Okay. Luke wants to say hi, everybody. Luke, say hi to everybody. Yeah. Okay, look at these little felt things that'll come off, and then you can use them on your journal cards and your tags. I love the way felt looks on my tags, my pockets, in my journal. You guys, look at these. They're flat. You could easily use them as an embellishment in your junk journals. I think I've got to get some of these stickers for my Splat the Cat junk journal I'm making. There's spiders in there, and I think these would really make cute additions. Oh my gosh, guys, look, it's all holidays at the Dollar Tree. I'm here for it, though. I'm going to be starting a Christmas Palooza junk journal theme next month, and I need all the Christmas stuff I can find. How many of you guys use the cards at the Dollar Tree in your junk journals? They have got some really cute images on them. Look at these. Oh my God, that is a cute one. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. I could sit and spend hours just looking at all these cards. They are so much fun. I've already started getting some of them. I think I've already got that one. Oh, look at that little kitty kitty. So cute. Boo. Oh my goodness. Look at this one. It looks so vintage. I love it. That is adorable. Look what I found. I think I'm going to get this one for my Barbie journal. I love that shine on. I could cut that part off and put something down at the bottom. And then look at this one. That looks like Barbie, doesn't it? Look at this. This goes with the colors of that journal perfectly. I'm grabbing this. Oh, look, it's my favorite section. It's the school section. I love this section. There is so many resources here for our junk journals. All right, guys, if I find anything good, I'll pop back on. Okay, guys, if you need acetate for your journals to make tags or whatever, this is a really cheap way. It's still $1.25 to get 2 large pieces of acetate to use in your journal. Just a tip. Okay, something else. I've not tried it personally, but I've seen other YouTubers do it. You can take these books, and when you have a soft covered book and you want to make it a hardcover book, you can take the front and the back of this like chipboard and use it for that. Oh my gosh, look, it's Nanner Banana. Okay, look what I found. I wonder if there's any images in there I can use in my Nancy Drew series. I'm going to pull these and see. Oh, let's see. Oh, they're not in order. There's different ones. Do I have 6? Let's see. I've got 2 7s. I don't need 2 7s. I've got 5. I see a 6 up there. Let me grab that 6. And what number is that? All right, I think that's the ones that are here. I'll be back. I want to look at. Oh my goodness. Look what I just found at the Dollar Tree. Would you look? These look just like the Copic markers. You better run. Look at this paint set. It's matte. It's like the metallic watercolors. Oh my gosh, I'm getting that too. I got one of Chasing Retro's really cool 80s ephemera kits, and she sold out of her 80s journals, but I think this material could make some cute 80s journals, so it's going in the basket. Look at these beads I just found. They're little mini like gummy bear beads and happy faces. I think those are kind of 80s themed too. I'm going to grab them. You all, I have got to get me some candy for all the crafting I've got to do today and tomorrow. I like a bit of honey. That's my favorite, but in case I can't find it, I'll get me some Mary Janes. Oh, yay, look what I found. My favorite.